Meaning of him.
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 Him. Him is a pronoun used to refer to a male person or entity that has been previously mentioned or is known in the context. It is commonly used in English language to indicate the male subject of a sentence or clause. The use of him can help to avoid repetition of a person's name or title, and allows for more concise and natural-sounding sentences. It is also an important tool for clear communication, particularly in situations where gender identity is relevant in the conversation. Overall, him is a simple yet essential word in the English language that helps us to communicate effectively and efficiently.